If you're seeing the Chrome error, ERN_connection_closed, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This issue usually happens when Chrome can't keep a stable connection to the website, and it can be caused by a broken cache, a bad extension, antivirus's interference, network configuration issues, or even a VPN or proxy problem. The good news is that in most cases you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, we're going to clear Chrome's built-in host cache. Sometimes Chrome stores old or corrupted connection data, and that can stop it from creating a fresh link to the server. To do this, open a new tab in Chrome and type Chrome net internals $DNs into the address bar, then press Enter. On that page, click the Clear Host Cache button. This removes the stored DNS and host lookup data that Chrome may be holding onto. Right after that, go to Chrome Flags in the address bar and press Enter. At the top right of the page, click Reset All. This will restore Chrome's experimental settings back to default and can remove any hidden network-related overrides that might be causing the error. Once that's done, try loading the website again and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is whether an extension is causing the problem. A lot of the time, aggressive security extensions, privacy tools, or outdated ad blockers can interfere with the connection handshake and make the server close the request. The fastest way to test this is by opening Incognito mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N at the same time. On Mac, press Command Shift and N. This opens a private window with most extensions disabled. Now try visiting the same website in Incognito mode. If the page loads normally there, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is the culprit. To find it, go back to your regular Chrome window, click the three dots in the top right, hover over Extensions, then click Manage Extensions. From there, disable your recently added extensions one by one and test the website after each change. Once the error stops, you've found the extension that was breaking the connection. Now let's move on to another common cause, antivirus and firewall protection. Sometimes these security tools can be a little too aggressive and block browser traffic, which can trigger ERR_connection_closed. Temporarily pausing your antivirus or firewall shields can help you confirm whether they're the reason. Be careful with this step, and only turn protection off briefly while you test the website. If the site loads after disabling the shield, you'll know you need to adjust the security settings or add Chrome to the allowed list. If none of that works, the next fix is to reset your TCP/IP stack and clear your network settings, especially on Windows. Corrupted network configuration files can cause your computer to drop active browser connections. To do this, open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type each of these commands one at a time, and press Enter after each one netsh winsock reset, then netshint IP reset, and then ipconfig flush DNS. The first command resets your internet socket settings, the second reinitializes your TCPA/IP stack, and the third clears the local DNS cache. After running all three commands, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. Next, disconnect any active VPNs and check your proxy settings. VPNs can sometimes route your traffic through unstable servers, and proxies can interfere with the connection path Chrome uses to reach a website. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it and try the website again. If you use a proxy, make sure it's disabled or configured correctly. On Windows, you can search for proxy settings and turn off any proxy you don't need. After that, test the site again in Chrome. At this point, one of these fixes should have resolved the ERR_connection_closed problem. To recap quickly, clear the host cache, reset Chrome flags, test in Incognito mode, disable problematic extensions, temporarily pause security software, reset your TCP/IP stack, and disconnect VPN or proxy services. These steps solve the most common causes of the error and usually get Chrome working again. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides, Windows tips, and browser fixes. And if you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments what device and browser version you're using, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.